This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing a complete backup of files and the database so you can recover if anything breaks. Once done, switch the site to maintenance mode to stop changes during migration and make sure your server PHP meets Joomla 4 requirements. This prevents extension conflicts. Next, check free disk space and permissions. You need room for temporary files and upgrade packages. These steps limit risk and speed later steps, so do them now before running any migration tools. You now audit extensions and the database to avoid mid-upgrade failures. First, list installed components, modules, and plugins and update or uninstall anything that lacks Joomla 4 compatibility because incompatible code breaks admin and front-end. Then upgrade the site to Joomla 3, 10, X and run the built-in compatibility check. This readies migration files. After that, back up the database schema and use extensions right arrow manage right arrow database to you perform the core migration by selecting Joomla 4 in the Joomla update component and starting the process. Monitor progress and server responses. Once complete, clear all caches, rebuild routing and menus, then test both front-end and administrator areas for functionality and speed. If issues appear, check error logs and extension compatibility first. Finally, update or reinstall extensions that were held back, re-enable maintenance mode off, and keep your backup handy so you can roll back quickly if a critical problem persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.